Hello guys and welcome back to this new Inner Engine tutorial, and today we are going to see how to create an AI that can see, chase, aim on and fire our player character. Okay guys, so let's get started. Guys, beware that in this tutorial I will not use the AI behavior trees or the blackboard or the traditional logic. Okay guys, what we are going to do is just transforming our player character, our character blueprint that we used to make, sorry, in the previous tutorial, and make it be possessed by an AI. Okay guys, so basically what we are going to do is using all the mechanic that we created before in this playlist, and we are going to make an AI using those events. Okay, remember we created a fire event, switch between FPS and TPS. Well, this is not useful for the AI, but we created it. We made our character prone, crouch, run. Remember, guys. Okay, if you have not seen my previous videos, I invite you to check my playlist in the engine tutorials how to create an FPS game. Okay, guys. So to summarize, we are going to make our character blueprint that we created before be possessed by an AI, and this AI will do some things, but we are going to do this without using the behavior trees or the blackboard that you certainly heard about on the web. Okay, guys? Okay. So, guys, we said that we have already created some events. Okay, just like fire with an input from the left mouse button. Okay, like running with the left shift as an input. Okay, remember. So, as this character will be possessed by an AI, the AI does not have a keyboard, guys. Okay, so these events, this input, need to be transformed on event, so that the AI can use these events and trigger the mechanic after. After what it will do what we used to do with an input. Okay, guys. So to do this, guys, for example, for the fire, remember that we used left mouse button directly linked on the following mechanic logic. What we are going to do for each event, guys, is just right click and type custom event, add custom event. Okay, guys, and this way we are going to link the exit directly to the start of our logic. For example, here or here, not here. Okay, just on the beginning of the events on the of the logics. And then since we still use this character for our player character, so we will have multiple characters. Some ones will be possessed by AI and others will be possessed by the player. So we are going to still use the input, but the input will trigger the same event. Okay, guys? For example, the fire or stop fire, like this. So you are going to do the same thing for all the other events. For example, the run, like here. Now the AI can use directly this event, and the player can use the input from the keyboard to trigger the same event. This is the same event, guys. You can create a custom event, name it test, and then you can call it by just typing its name, and there it is. Okay. Now when you pressed left shift and link this here, it will trigger this event. I hope you got the thing. Okay, so this is the first thing to do, guys, in order to allow our AI to use our previous mechanics. Okay, great. The second thing is, guys, we are going to make our AI we will give our AI the ability to see and hear the player. Okay. In this tutorial, we are only going to see how to make it see. Okay, not hear, but you can do this. It's not complicated. To do this, you just add component, and here you will type sensitive, and you will see pawn sensing. This is it, guys. Okay. This component will give our character the ability to see and hear. Okay. And then you click here, and you click on the plus button on see pawn, and you will have this event. Okay. Now this event is triggered every time our character or our AI now will see a pound. This is the scene pound. Okay, this is the pound that AI is seeing. Great. So now, guys, we added our pound sensing component and we have our event. What we are going to do next is to make a difference between a player character and an AI. Since we are using the same character blueprint, we need to use this event only for the AI, not for the player. Or if you don't make the difference, your character, your controlled character, will act automatically while you are controlling it. Okay, guys. So to do this, you will use a branch. You know how to create a branch, guys. Type this branch and use this node is player controlled like this, and you will have what I have here. And then, if it is player controlled, you will let the true empty. If it is not, so it is controlled by an AI and it can carry on with the logic. Okay, guys. And then we will make another branch, okay, with a condition of the variable life greater, absolutely greater than zero. Why? Because a dead pawn can't see. Okay, guys. And then if you do not do this, your your AI will chase you and fire and aim you even when you kill her and kill it. Okay, guys. So you carry on with the branch, and you will use another branch. This is optionally, guys. Remember that in our shooting video, okay, we made this variable to tell our character if it is owning a weapon or no. So if it is not owning a weapon, this variable will be 0. If it's owning holding one weapon, it is 1. If it is holding two weapons, it will be 2. So here, the AI, we need our AI to chase and fire us only if it got a weapon. Okay, so you will make a branch here, and the condition will be if the weapon owning the variable will be 0. If it is true, it will do nothing because it don't have a weapon. But if it is false, it will do the following logic. Okay, guys. Please notice that our character per default has not a weapon. It has not weapon. It can get a weapon by colliding with it on the ground. So here what I did, I just added a child actor. You can type here child actor like this, and here you will select your weapon base that we created before. I invite you again, guys, to see our previous videos. Okay, guys. And here, per default, when the character here our AI spawn, okay, when it spawn, it will automatically collide with this weapon and it will hold it, and then we automatically have an AI enemy with a weapon. Okay, guys, I hope you got the idea. Just make sure to adjust the position in order to the capsule or the character will collide with it. Okay, guys, you need to make it close. Okay, great. Okay, guys, let's carry on. So now our AI, we we are sure that it's an AI that is seeing the pawn. Okay, we are sure that it's alive, and we are sure that it had a weapon. So now we need to define what pawn we are going to chase and fire on or aim on. So here you will use only simple cast to nodes. Okay, guys. If you want to cast to your character, another character like this one, you just cast to your character blueprint. Or in my case, I also have a drone. I created drone, guys. I invite you to see the video where I did it. So my AI will also follow and shoot to the drone. Okay, guys. So you can do whatever you want here. Just make sure that every time you link from the cast failed to the every pound you need to make your AI chase or aim on. Okay, guys. And then for each cast, guys, you will use a do once node. Do once node is a node that let the following logic be triggered only one time for all the game. Okay, guys. It can be reset by enabling this input, but if you do not reset it, it will only make the following logic be triggered only one time. So you need to do this for all your casters. Here, guys, you can see that I have a branch, okay, that with a condition of friend equal friend. Okay, I will explain this to you. In my game, guys, I can have AI, a friendly AI and an enemy AI. Okay, how do I differentiate between the two of them with this branch? So while we are using the same character blueprint for the player and the AI, we just need to create a Boolean variable named friend, and like that, when you cast to your character blueprint, you just drag your character blueprint and search for your friend variable like this. And then if your cast2 character AI is the same as sorry, if your friend variable of your player character is the same as the AI that is chasing you, okay, like this, friend of the AI equal the friend of whatever it is, the player or another AI. Okay, guys, if true, it will do nothing. Only if you want to have everyone killing everyone. Okay, guys. But if they are friends, nothing will happen. But if they are false, so they are enemy, it will carry on with the do once node. Okay, guys. Great. I hope you got the idea. And now what we will do, we will save our target. This is the target, guys. If you are targeting a drone or a character or whatever, a car or whatever, you need to save it on a variable. What you will do, you just click add variable and name it target like me. Okay, guys. And here the type will be actor. This is the variable type. This is my variable, guys. And you will save for every do once node. Okay, every time you save the target, what will be the target will be, it will be the cast. Okay, just like this. And then what we are going to do, we are going to make our AI chasing the target. How do we do that? We will use an AI move to node, but before that we will make our AI run. Okay, guys, because we want it to chase us. So it will trigger the run event that we created before. Remember, I told you that for every event, you need to create a custom event in order that the AI will be able to use it. So this is the run event. So the AI will start running. And also, I used a stop fire. Why? Because when the AI will chase our character, it should not fire while it is running because it is not realistic. Okay, it need to arrive, which means when the AI will arrive to destination, it will start firing. Okay, but if it will just begin chasing or moving, it should not fire. So I have used two custom event, the stop fire and the running. And here, guys, I created a Boolean variable named look at. You will see what is it for. Okay, guys, it is for the aiming. So for now, you just create your variable like this, look at, and set it as Boolean like this. And we do set to false. For now, it's false because the AI will move. So it will just you make sure that your orient rotation to movement is checked to true and use controlled desired rotation is set to true. Okay, guys, let's carry on. So now the moving node, you type AI move to like this, and you have your node. So the pound need to be self. Okay, our character blueprint is the AI. Okay, the destination you just drag the target variable and type get actor location like this. You can use this here, okay, guys, but if you use target link to the target actor, the acceptance radius will not work, okay? The acceptance radius is the distance between the target and the AI when it arrives, okay, guys, when it stop moving. So the AI need to shoot us, so we need to have a small distance between the two actors, okay, the AI and the target. This is why we use acceptance radius as you can choose 1000 or 2000. It depends to you, okay, guys, okay? It's on to you and your preferences. But you need to use the destination input, okay, not the target actor. So you remove this. And that's it. You have your setting as mine. Great. So now, guys, if the AI arrive successfully to the destination, we will set the variable lookup to true, remember, because now the AI has arrived and it need to aim to the target. So we will see how to make the aiming stuff, but for now you just set lookup to true. And then you need to unrun, sorry, you need to stop running, okay, remember, in the previous video when we make the running animations and so on. So you need your AI to stop running. Also, for the player, it's the input when the left shift is pressed, it will start running. When it is released, it will stop running. For the AI, you need custom events. Okay, guys. So you need to stop running. Sorry, what it is? Okay, and start fire. Okay, guys. It will start fire. But if the AI do not arrive on destination, so this exit will be triggered on fail. What we need to do, we need to come back here, make our AI stop fire again, make a little delay here by typing delay like this of 1 second, and then retrigger the run event and stop fire. Sorry, I have two stop fires here. It is not useful, so I will just delete one of them. I will delete the second one actually, okay? Otherwise, I will have a delay of 1 second before it stop fire. And that's it. Okay, guys. Now my AI will C. Pawn will check if it is controlled by a player or an AI, will check if it is alive, and it will check if I have a weapon, if it have a weapon, and then it will cast to whatever I want it to aim on, a drone or a character or a car or animal or whatever, and then trigger the do once node that will save my target, okay, here, and then it will start running. Stop looking to the target because it will look forward. Okay, it is running, and then it will move to my target destination here with an acceptance radius of 1500. And then if it arrive, it will start looking to our character or our target, and it will stop running and start fire. Okay, guys. If it fail, it will just restart moving. Okay, guys. It's a loop like this, and you hit compile. So the second part, guys, now we need to make our AI aim on our character. The main problem here, guys, is the up and down. Fortunately, we will see how to set this also on this tutorial. So it's an all-in-one tutorial. The look at, guys, will be triggered by the event tick. Okay, the event tick is an event that is triggered every frame of the game. And then what we are going to do, since we are using for the AI the same character blueprint, so it will have the same anim blueprint. Remember, guys, the anim blueprint is this. The animations and all the stuff that we created before. Remember that we used the transform bone for using for the aim offset of our character. Okay, so now we will use the same anim blueprint but for the AI. Great. So we go to our anim blueprint, and here we need to create a variable named look at location with the type of a vector. Okay, guys, you click here and name it look at location like this, and you set the type to vector like this, guys. Okay, you will need it here because after the event tick you will type cast to, and you type your anim blueprint name. For me it's UESP, UE or USP anim blueprint. This is it. Okay, and here you will get anim instance and choose the mesh. Okay, your character mesh. This is it, and you will have the same thing as me. And here it will check if the variable look at, this variable, guys, is set to true or false. If it is true, guys, what it will do, it will get our target. Remember our target variable. Okay, and here you just make get actor location, or you can use get word location with unchecking this. Get word location. In this case, it will drag the root component, which is the capsule. Okay, this is the root component for the character if the target is a character. But you can use get actor location, it also work. Okay, and then you will drag from the anim blueprint, you type set, and you set your look at location variable that you just created. Look at like this, and you link the get word location of the target to this. Okay, just like me here. Okay, and then, guys, we will use the node set actor rotation, and we will split new rotation here. Okay, guys, and we will use a find look at rotation. I will explain everything. Okay, guys, find look at rotation. You also split this here and use Z, only the Z. Why, guys? Because this node is for the aiming right and left. Okay, guys, the Z axis is this one, so it's the blue one, so it will only move the character left and right. Okay, guys, this is why I am using the set actor rotation with only the Z. The up and down will be figured out later. Okay, guys, with this variable. Okay, you will see. So with the find look at rotation, the start will be get actor location with a target of self. Okay, get actor location like this. and you link this here. So this is start. The target, of course, it will be our target actor, and it's the same thing as here. Get word location, and you link this here, or you can use this output of the look at location. It's up to you. Okay, guys, and that's it. You will have your set actor rotation set. Great. I will delete this. Okay, guys. So this is if I have look at true, but if it is false, which means the AI is not looking at the target, we need to set the look at location also. This like this location like this. What are we going to do here, guys? Is remember where it was false, but we were moving. Our AI was looking further because of this setting. On the character movement component, the orient rotation to movement was true. So when the AI move, it will look forward because of this. But if it is not moving, it will have the direction of the previous look at location. So we need to reset it. But we will not reset the look at location variable uh, randomly. No, we need to make it forward, which means the AI need to see forward. Okay, to do this, guys, we create a root component. Sorry, a scene component. You can find it here. This is a scene. Okay, I named it front face like this, and I put it just there in the face of our character like this. When the lookat variable is false, the lookat location of the anim blueprint will be set as get front face and get word location like this. I hope you got the idea, guys. Okay, guys, great. So now for every frame of the game, it will cast to my anim blueprint, see if my character is looking at target. Okay, guys, remember here, looking at true, false. Okay, and then it will get the target word location, set the lookat location variable of the anim blueprint as the word location of the target, and then I will set actor rotation to only the Z. Y and X and Y will be 0, 0. Okay, guys? And this way, my AI can aim to the target on the axis of Z, so right and left, like this. Now, we need to make it look up and down. We will set this, guys, here on the anim blueprint. Remember in the video of the aim offset, we used the transform bond for spine 1, spine 2, and spine 3, okay, with this setting, okay. We created a control rotation variable of type, okay, type rotation, rotator, and we made this somewhat here depending on the get control rotation. Okay, why? Because this is us, this is the player, this is the mouse movement. So we use the mouse movement to set this variable, and this variable was used here, control rotation. It was like this directly. Okay, but now since we are using the same character for the AI and for the player, we need to use another variable. It's very simple, guys. We drag from here. Remember, we used the sequence. We drag new string here, and we create a new variable named AI control rotation, like this. AI control rotation. Okay, and the variable type will be rotator like this, and you set it here, you link it here, and the value will be, follow with me, it will be a find look at rotation here. The start will be the try get pawn owner and you get actor location. Get pawn owner. The pawn owner is this, guys. Huh? It's the character blueprint. Okay. You link it to the start and the target. It will be, since we the it will be the lookat location variable here. Why? Because we are setting this variable here. Remember, every frame of the game. So it is set to the target word location in real time. Okay, guys, we don't need to put the mechanic here. And this is exactly what I did. Okay, guys, it's the same thing. So I will get back to my setup. I will delete this, click compile. So now I go back to my anim graph, and here I need to tell the blueprint to select between the control rotation of the player controller, this, and the AI control rotation that we just created. And of course, we will use the same thing that we used here. Remember, is player controlled. Okay. What you will do, you will drag this here and type select float like this. You will automatically have a pick A with a boolean. Okay. You will right click, try get pawn owner. Remember, this is the pawn owner blueprint, character blueprint, and you will use the node is player controlled like this, and you link this to A. So if the pawn owner is a player, is play control, if so, it will pick the A. So the A need to be linked to the Y, the pitch of the control rotation, which is this variable. If no, we will use the AI control rotation to be. Why I have done this minus 10, guys, it's for the purpose of some precision. Okay, you will set this in live when you are testing your game, because it's not so the precision is a little bit tricky, so you need to adjust it with some math here. Okay, it's only this. You can use minus 10, it will work perfectly for you too. And you link this here. Okay, guys, you will have the same thing as me, like this. Hit compile. And now, guys, our AI is seeing, chasing, aiming on. Okay, it is aiming on up and down, right and left. Okay, to our target. Okay, which could be, which could be our player character or whatever. Okay, and it is firing on. Don't forget, guys, in order to have your AI moving, you need to add something on your world, on your map, which called nav mesh bound volume. Okay, guys, you add it here and make it as big as the area where you want your AI to move. For me, I have this one, this big area. You can visualize it by typing P. Okay, guys, and this green area is the area where the AI can move. Okay, guys, click B again, type P again to remove this color. And now, when you click play from here, guys, about the colors, sorry, I have put this system here in the begin play. So in the begin play, after delay of 0.5, I created this friend variable, remember, that we used here. Okay, It will be set with a random bool, okay? So sometimes it will be true, sometimes it will be false. So when you have multiple characters here, some will be true, some will be false. The true one will be blue, the false one will be red, okay? And here I have a branch with the same variable here, friend. If it is true, it will paint my character in blue, okay? Look at this, blue. If it's false, it will be red. If you want to see how to make this, I just created the material, okay? Nothing magic, guys. I created the material like this, named it color. It's simple material with this parameter, okay, guys, with 111, but it is a parameter, so it will be changed. And I added some metallic for better look. And then here I set my mesh, drag this, create, sorry, create dynamic material instance, okay. You select 0 because this is the material of the body, okay. Select 0. The source material, you will this one like this. You plug it here. Optional name, you let it none. No need to drag it from the return value of the create dynamic material, okay. Set vector parameter value like this. My parameter, I named it param of color. So you type the exact name of your parameter, param of color like this, okay. And here you just split and you can choose the color, red, green, blue, and with the alpha. The alpha is the intensity of the color. And finally, you just set material. Target is also the mesh, okay, guys. So you drag from the mesh here, set material, okay, and the material will be this one, okay, guys. This is how I paint my characters, okay, guys. It's just to differ, to make the difference between the friend and not friend. So the blue will shoot to the red and the red will shoot to the blue, and you can see that here. So it's a problem of no one is looking at no one, okay. And now you will see that the blue ones are shooting to the red ones. I will select everyone because I want them to be a little bit higher. Everyone is red. Now we have red and blue. Okay, you see that two of them, the blue killed the red and the red killed the blue. So now we can see that it is not working, but we need to see if it is chasing and moving. Let's click play. Let's spawn a little bit. Okay, now the AI chasing me and firing me. Okay, guys. Now I'm dying. Guys, for the purpose of the precision, okay, if you want your character to properly shoot your character, sorry, if you want your AI to properly shoot your AI, your character and not miss, you go to your weapon blueprint. If you remember, we created this in a previous video, and on the fire event, remember, we spawn our bullet in the muzzle location and with a rotation of the muzzle also. This is correct for the player, okay, because the player, it has a weapon, it will shoot further, okay, in the further direction. But for the AI, we need bullet to go right to the target. To do this, guys, instead of using uh, spawn transform rotation directly from the muzzle, we will also do a select node, okay, select rotator, and here also we will have the same thing as here. Okay, guys, it's pretty much the same thing. But here we can't put is player controlled here because this is the weapon. It's not controlled by the player or the AI. Just hold by it. Okay. So what we are going to do is, so you need to link the index right to the event, and you will have a boolean condition here on the event. Okay, guys. For me, I have already created it. I named it player controlled, so I don't need another one. And you drag it here. For the true, if it is player controlled, you will set the return value rotation. You will link the return value rotation to true. But if it is false, you will also use a find lookup rotation like this. Okay. The start will be, of course, the muzzle. The bullet will spawn from the muzzle of the weapon, and the target will be the target that we created here. Okay, this is our target. How do we get our targets from the character blueprints to the weapon? The same thing. You go to the fire event of your weapon blueprint here, and you will click here in the inputs, add new parameter. You select actor for the type like this. Okay, name it target like me here. Now you have your target here. You get actor location, and this is the target. Okay, guys, and you link to force. So if it is not player controlled, it's automatically AI controlled, and you link it to force. Now here on the fire mechanic, if you remember here. Now I have my two variables, the target and the player controlled. And here I can use is player controlled and target here. Okay, guys. So I will transfer my two nodes, those two from the character blueprint to my weapon blueprint. Okay, guys. And now, if it is controlled by an AI, it will shoot right to the target. Okay, it will not use the direction of the muzzle because the precision, remember here, the precision is not 100% guaranteed. Okay, you can see the AI aim to the target, but uh, for the bullets, it's little bit difficult. This is why we use this mechanic. Okay, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching. It was really good to make this video because I like all AIs and those things. Okay. So see you in next tutorial, guys. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye, guys.